everybody, welcome to Easy Math. Today we are going to see class 7 mathematics term 1 for the academic year 2021 and 22, and we are going to see chapter 1 which is about integers. So this is a new thing we are going to learn this year. Before that, already we know what are natural numbers, that is the counting numbers are called natural numbers. They are just starting from 1, 2, 3, etc. and it goes on and on. The arrow mark shows it extends endlessly, and the smallest natural number is 1, 1, 2, 3, etc. It goes. They are called natural numbers and they are denoted by the letter N. And then we studied about whole numbers. What are whole numbers? Whole numbers start from 0. Along with natural numbers, we have one more number included, which is 0. So it starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. There is one side arrow mark. That means it extends endlessly. 100,000, lakh, crore, it goes on and on. So they are called whole numbers. Suppose, now, if in whole number, suppose if you are from 4, if you are moving 3 steps to the right side. Where do we go? 3 steps right hand side. 1, 2, 3. We reach 7. And from 4, 2 steps to the left. 1, 2. We reach 2. Now, for example, in the whole number on this number line, from 2, suppose if you are moving 4 steps to the left, 4 steps to the left. From 2, you are moving 4 steps towards the left side. So move 1, 2, where is our position now? Definitely when you can move right hand side and reach one position, there you must have some position on the left hand side also to how many ever steps you move. So what does this show? The number system has to be extended. That's why as we have numbers on the right hand side, we have numbers on the left hand side also. In day-to-day life also we student, when there is a profit, there is a loss. When you have right hand side, we have left hand side. When you have height, we have depth. When there is east and west, north and south. When something is increasing, something is decreasing. So whenever you have one side, definitely for everything, we have the other side also. And that is where it comes positive and negative. So for every positive numbers, for every numbers on the right hand side of the whole numbers, right hand side of 0, we should have numbers on the left hand side of 0 also. That is how integers are introduced. This number system is called integers and they are denoted by the letter Z. They are denoted by the letter Z, and we have in the middle we have 0, and on the right hand side we have all the positive numbers called plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, etc. It goes endlessly. There is arrow mark which shows it goes on and on. And on the left hand side of 0, we have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. It goes endlessly on the left hand side also. It extends on both the directions. This set of numbers is called integers. And in this, few things we need to know about this integers. That is the plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, etc. are called positive integers. The right hand side numbers are called positive integers and the left hand side numbers are called negative integers. And 0 is neither. 0 is in the middle of the number line. It is neither positive nor negative. And the value, as you move towards the right hand side, the value increases. The value increases as you move towards right. Just you see from if you are moving towards right, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So 1 is greater than 0, 2 is greater than 1 and 5 is greater than 3. So the value increases when you move towards right. And in the same way, the value decreases as you move towards left. See, come here, 3, 2 is less than 3, 1 is less than 2, 0 less than 1. So when you compare these two, minus 1 is less than 0 and minus 3 is less than minus 1. So the value decreases as you move towards left. And one more thing, the next point is all the positive integers on the right hand side, so they are greater than 0. And the negative integers on the left hand side, they are less than 0. These are the basic things we learn about integers. Now just let's compare the integers now. Minus 7 and plus 3. That is, one is negative, one is positive. Where is minus 7? Here there is minus 7 plus 3. Always the right hand side numbers are greater and the left hand side numbers are smaller. So which is on the right hand side? Plus 3 is on the right hand side. So plus 3 is greater and minus 7 is lesser. Minus 7 is less than 3. And 0 and 8. Where is 0? 0 is on the left hand side. 8 is on the right hand side. So which is greater? 8 is greater. The number which is on the right hand side is greater. Now minus 3 and minus 9. Minus 3 is here. Minus 9 is here. Which is on the right hand side? Minus 3 on the right hand side. Minus 9 on the left hand side. So minus 3 is greater. And minus 6 and 0. So naturally 0 is on the right hand side. 0 is greater. 7 and 9. 7 and 9. So 9 is greater on the right hand side. So when you compare one negative, one positive, always positive integers are greater. When you compare 0 with a positive integer is greater. When you compare 0 with a negative integer, 0 is greater. Negative integer is lesser. And when you compare two negative integers, the smaller negative integer is the greater, because that is only on the right hand side. As you move towards left, the value decreases. Okay, and then now let's just have a, let's denote these numbers by, these words by integers. Quickly you say, ₹5 profit. Profit means it is plus 5, that is an integer. So we are denoting this statement as an integer. 7 kilometers south, north is positive, south is negative. So it is -7 is the integer for this. 5 degrees Celsius above 0, so it is plus 5, and below is negative. 9 less is negative, and 9 more is positive. And only one more point, children. Here the positive integers can be written with or without the plus sign. So if you write simply 7, it is plus 7. But negative integers, they have to be written with the sign. If it's -8, the minus sign has to be written. It is a must to write a minus sign. But positive integers, they can be written with or without the plus sign. So I hope you all have got some idea about the integers. So always I say, once you know the basic concepts, mathematics is always a joy. You just need to enjoy. Bye.